My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Remedial Lessons. Today we are on Remedial Lesson Part 6, where we are going to talk about cell physiology. Welcome. Define cell physiology. Define cell physiology. Cell physiology is the study of the functions of a cell in relation to their structure. Cell physiology is the study of the functions of a cell in relation to their structure. State the functions of the cell. State the functions of the cell. The cell exchange of materials between the cell and the external environment. One of the functions of the cell is the exchange of materials between the cell and the external environment. Also, in the cell, physiological reactions take place. In the cell, physiological reactions take place. For example, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is one of the physiological reactions that take place in the cell. The cell also is involved in the production of energy through the mitochondria. Another function of the cell is the production of energy through the mitochondria, that is breaking down glucose in the presence of oxygen to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Describe the structure of the cell membrane. Describe the structure of the cell membrane. The cell membrane is made up of 3 layers. It's made up of 3 layers. We have the phospholipid bilayer in the middle. We have the hydrophilic head outside, on top and the bottom. That would be the inside and outside of the cell. And then the hydrophobic tails, which are facing inside, form the 3 layers. The lipid portion sandwiched between the 2 protein layers. The lipid portion is sandwiched between 2 protein layers. If you look at the phospholipid bilayer, the middle part, which is hydrophobic tail, is the lipid portion, and the hydrophilic heads, that one is the protein layer. Lipid portion enhances penetration of oil-soluble substances. The lipid portion enhances penetration of oil-soluble substances. The lipid portion is the portion which is hydrophobic tail. It is the one which enhances the penetration of oil-soluble substances to enter the cell or to leave the cell. pores present to facilitate inward and outward movement of water-soluble substances. They are pores in the cell membrane that facilitate inward and outward movement of water-soluble substances. Give the properties of cell membrane. Give the properties of cell membrane. The cell membrane is semi-permeable. The cell membrane is semi-permeable. The cell membrane is sensitive to changes in temperature and pH. The cell membrane is sensitive to changes in temperature and pH. The cell membrane possesses electrical charges. It possesses electrical charges inside and outside, which creates a potential difference maintained across the membrane. It possesses electrical charges. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in cell physiology. Let's meet again in another remedial lesson 7, where we shall be talking about diffusion. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please do not forget to press that subscription button.